Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn CSIT. In today's video, we'll discuss a very important topic from C programming, file opening modes. When we work with files in C, we use the function fopen to open a file. But while opening, we must tell the computer how we want to use that file, whether to read, write, or append data. This is done using file opening modes. Let's understand the different modes one by one. 1. Our mode read mode, used for reading data from an existing file. If the file doesn't exist, fopen returns an ULL meaning error opening file. 2. W mode write mode, used for writing data. If the file already exists, all old data is deleted and new data is written. If it doesn't exist, a new file is created. 3. Mode append mode. This mode adds new data at the end of the file without removing old data. If the file doesn't exist, it is automatically created. 4. Plus mode, used for both reading and writing. File must exist, otherwise fopen returns null. 5. W plus mode, used for reading and writing both. If file exists, old content is erased. If it doesn't exist, it is created. 6. A plus mode, used for both reading and appending. New data is added at the end, and you can still read existing data. Now, these same modes also exist in binary form by adding B, for example, RB, WB, of, RB+, and so on. These are used when we work with binary files instead of text files like images or videos. So that's the basic idea of file opening modes in C. Knowing them is very important for file handling programs and practical exams.